So many people home support each other. That's one of the things I just say, we have to change. Because you're happy on about International Women's Day, let's be supportive. But to go anywhere where there's a bunch of women, now we are just help crack again. And I say even, I'm not sure we need to say but Bema ba on the man. And I say fans cry, even on radio cry. Now it's all about the men.
Yes.
All about the men. On one case, then again, my men credit because what they do, they say they support each other. Yeah, man. Yeah, even saying in the channel. Yes, support me man account. Ja a man to the side.
And I say you're enough.
There be. Yeah, they no can't side by heart,
but we don't live it.
We don't live it. Most of them, I'm telling you, 85, maybe even 90%. Don't live it.
No.
There's no question. We say.
But Bema who young Bema will appreciate no. Yeah, they are the effort. I can't fatal say. But then my had this better so back and for the young Koba.
Oh, Debbie,
it's difficult.
Debbie don't come for unless or you're less threatened by you. Even say, means a lot of people are probably not very threatened by me. And I say, I'm we happy to say, oh, me a mother of because me a grandmother, can me a young girl, my warrior. Oh, I make her say. Hey, no, some of them who don't know me say my worry no. Omo be hear me say, obi an worry me share mu din. Insult some dem am no.
Omo nyi say onya kunu.
Omo say me nya ku obi an worry me da. Hwe no ai. Yeah, me worry 50 times over and san omo be nya ku.
From women.
I
didn't hear better against each other.
I don't know. I think sometimes me classic de me no be person you no. But it's just sometimes in Kofu he has our confidence to be able to do something. I say all women, including myself, we have a little bit of envy, kaka. It's not a bad thing if it's not jealousy. We say envy sometimes need to me spell on to do better because also be
you want to do better than the person.
Yes, that's not a bad thing because we all need that drive. I'm sure say Mema and Crapo, they have that same thing. But jealousy sometimes can transform itself into just pure
witchcraft.
Yes, just hatred. It's like, it's like he's so much say now say I will hold too much. And then I say me feels just say people regulate it. Because we are different and you be I say or have to live to or be standard. Or be on a standard. There's certain things I mumpe. They said, "Yeah, obi who say bien, me share. If I say tiny shows, I may exercise and I mean who charms them. I don't want to say it's an opinion. It's okay. You're entitled to it. But so baby, you back on say no. I know that's what's wrong. Because you can have your opinion. Me sure idea mempa, not some schooling through. Me sure mempa.
Yes.
What do I bother? I don't care to comment.
And who has obedience at him?
No. Some penny back on say don't follow me as well. Also, so bad no more.
And the fact that you are able to say anything doesn't mean you should say anything.
No.
Who can say your baby but I don't just say to make a baby. People don't understand.
No. And you be now so obi page a home ped there, person who sit here, what they look like. No, but no be Now how's that going to change your life?
It won't.
Ain't change your life. Why you still be as miserable and should just keep going through life. But there's the other side where people like me, me and family, I've lived my life. But a bit more home, and why you to me, Martin Kofo can be a bit suicidal, kakra. And money be an effect on my in a very negative way. And then I said, I want people to be mindful of that. So what would be our own pill about somebody?
Words are powerful.
Who did? Yes, DM no. Like I say private message if you feel like you need to. But to put on a platform where the person will feel undervalued if they're doing something that makes them happy now, it's not nice. Because I know so many women who have actually committed suicide or worse. No, that's not worse still, because the lesser side of it is them enhancing their bodies. To then be like somebody,
yes,
to please somebody else. So because and I say now I feel now it's so exercise, there's no positive influence. The air hailing no under the knife. I did not air under the knife no.